Hi, today I'm going to show you how to move clips in CapCut. So, in order to do this, first of all, launch CapCut on your PC or mobile device and open the project you are editing. Wait for the media to load fully. If your clips look grayed out, give it a moment before moving them to avoid timeline glitches. So after opening your CapCut application, you can click on import icon. Now, select the media and click on open, and that will instantly import that media into your media field. Now, you'll have to simply left click and you can instantly drag it and bring it in your timeline. This will be the working space. Now, in order to move any clip, for example, if I want to place this clip here and this one here, I'll have to simply take this, left click it, drag it to the right while holding my left mouse button, and it will instantly adjust it. Now, I can also select this, get it here, it will replace it. And as you can see, I just brought the clip that was here to here. Now, if you want an overlay, like for example, if you want to move this clip at the top of this, I can simply left click it, drag it up and leave it. Now you can see this clip has been moved to the upper timeline. You can decrease the size and the clip below it will be shown behind it. You can also do the same with video and audio. You can also press B and choose cut tool. Cut clips into segments, press A to select the selector. Now you can move the clips anyone you want by doing this, after cutting them into pieces too. So, these were the simple ways through which you can move clips in CapCut. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.